So when I was in 11th, my school provided me, not only me, my school provided 11 students about career guidance program. So they were so expert, and they told about our futures and professional courses and colleges, and they told about Delhi University. I was so impressed, and I was like, if I can get into there, then I can definitely be a civil servant. So I chose that, and I determined that I will one day be a part of the university. And I had two options to be a part of Kerala University, but inside me I wanted to be a part of Delhi University, and with the help of my mother and the Learning Center, I got admission here, Delhi University at Lady Sri Ram College for Women. My father-mother relationship wasn't smooth. They weren't separated, but they weren't divorced, but they are separated. So my childhood was in vain. I had to keep it in mind, as a child of separated family. I finished my 10th class with full A+. And as a custom there, I have to choose commerce or science, but I had a dream. I want to become an IAS officer, so I chose humanities. Thus, I have to bear some mock from my native villages, but I didn't take it seriously. I was very serious about my goals. So I chose humanities, and I completed my 11th with full A+, and I completed my 12th with full marks. That's how I get into DU. I was not good at in maths and physics and chemistry, so I had to put some more efforts and time on those subjects. So it made me I'm in hell situation. So I have to work on my studies, and I have to balance my family life too. So I had to skip my intervals for studies, and thereby I focused on those my weak subjects, and I completed it with A+. After 10th, I had to keep my 11th and 12th without any tuition, so I have to keep up by myself. So I studied, self-study was what I did. It cost around 1 lakh for a year, so it's so hard for us, it's a issue now. So I have choices like engineer or doctor, but so I think I know myself well. Okay, my passion is in charity, and I'm so kind and generous, so I can do something better than a doctor, better than an engineer when I become a civil servant. So I can serve my country and my people. So I choose civil servant and my humanities stream. We all have two choices in life in each stages. You have to take the positive ones. You don't have to look at any crisis like a financial or like anything else, family issues. No, it won't help you really. It doesn't help you at all. So you have to keep an eye on positive sides, and always follow your dreams. It will help you to achieve whatever you want to do. So I had a goal. I want to point it like that than a dream. Whenever I feel giving up, my all hardship said to me, no, you don't have to give up now. Keep up, so one day you may achieve your goal. And I didn't want to cry on a side, on a corner, and be a girl of weakness. I'm not like that. I want to fight back, and I want to achieve my all dreams, and I will achieve all one day.